Hello guys, have a look. It's freezing in Mullingar, and I'm going to show you something very funny. If you've got a pipe outside the house which is leaking at the moment, and in this temperature you can see what happened over the night. This is the pipe that I'm talking about, and it's freezing. Look, water is leaking through here, and it's all frozen here. And this is the stage of a small bucket which is outside the house, which is filled with ice. And it's like pearls on top. You can see all over this area. A huge ice has grown. Amazing, isn't it? Enjoy. So be careful, guys. Insulate your pipes which are exposed. Bye bye.